Hey folks, this is John with Ozarks Back Roads with you today. We're gonna get down on the river and see how it looks down there, maybe fly the drone a little bit. Invite you all to stick around. We're on the mighty Tiger 800 here, which is pretty good for going to the woods. We're finally got some nice color here in the Ozarks. I'm pretty excited about that. So the drone footage should be pretty awesome. This is my favorite time of year right here. In the Ozarks, it just doesn't get much better than this. Man, this is just gorgeous. Isn't this awesome? I'll break the videos out of riding around today and view them in January when the weather's all nasty and dark and dreary and winter's been dragging on. This will be pretty nice. Man, the ergos on this bike, standing on this thing, is just awesome. You can really get a view and control the bike good. I ended up adjusting my shift lever. I raised it up a notch. I couldn't hardly get my toe under it standing up to shift up, to upshift with this boot, so I raised it a notch. It's perfect for standing. It's a little high. I'm still getting used to it for sitting. When you downshift, you kind of have to lift your foot a little bit to get on top of it, but it's really nice for this. Just right. This is really cool. This looks like a video game right here. It doesn't even look real. Look at this. I mean, come on. Man, look how clear that water is. I'm telling you, I've died and gone to heaven. I just don't know it. Well, we got to fly the drone on the river there. That was pretty cool. Up and down the creek a little bit. And see if we can get up out of here now. And plenty of color to go around. You just got to get the sunlight on it for it to show up. I ran the preload way up on the back shock. Really raised the rear end up. Now my camera gears stuff's bouncing around in the side cases. I got it sprung a little bit too tight in the back. So I'll probably have to let that down just a little bit. Soften that up some. I don't want my gear bouncing around. It kills my gear. My gear dies an early death from being bounced around in the side cases and the top case. I'm assuming that's what's killing it. I've lost a lot of cameras and stuff traveling with them over the years. I'll have a double helping of this, please, and could I get that in a to-go box? I want to take this with me. Yes sir, life is good here in the Ozarks today. I can't think of a thing to complain about. I don't even want to try. It's just too good. We are still in the woods. Took a few pictures, some of the color here, and put a new Duracell in the camera. We'll continue on, run down to the river, see what it looks like. Right here, here's our pedestrian bridge. We can get out. They got canoes out here. We'll get out and take a walk on the pedestrian bridge. We'll run on down here. There's a campground down here. We can get next to the river and take a look at it. And unsurprisingly, there's nobody down here. Pull in here and have a look at this. See if we're missing anything.